Hello and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial on Roblox Studio. Today we're going to be looking at parameters inside of functions. So if we want to go straight to making a script and then destroying this, we will actually create a function called, let's call it test function. And then here is where our parameters are. So inside these normal brackets, we actually have parameters. So we could set a parameter test para1 and then comma test para2. So now if we were to run the function, so print test function, and then we go to set some variables, because this will not do anything right now because we've not got anything in it. So if we go test function and then we go 1, we don't actually want to do that, we want to add them. So we want to do test para1 plus test para2. So if we go into here, we have 2 and 1 comma 3. Let's do 2 comma 3. If we actually put this down and press play, we get 5. So all parameters are just another version of a variable that's inside of a function. So it will be just called inside of the function rather than local. Let's say local variable very equals variable. So instead of setting it out that way, we just actually put it inside of the brackets on the function. So we can do this multiple times now. So we can do test function, say 3 and then add 6. Or we could even say test function. We can add a string variable into this. So this is a, and then do this function parameter. There we go. So if you press play, it should do 5, 9, and it's had an issue. Maybe it's because we're not allowed to put any of these in. If I just now do this, which is concatenizing it, stop that and then press play. There we go. So we've got to, instead of adding it now, it's concatenizing it. So that means it is putting everything together into one rather than doing a simple add function. So it would do 2 and then a space and then a 3, because we've got test parameter 1, which is 2, which will be placed here. Then we'll have a space in the middle, and then we'll have test parameter 2, which is best for obviously making sentences, because there's no point concatenizing, unless you wanted, say, 23, there's no point concatenizing data together when it's a number variable. So let's just show this one more time. Let's do test function, thanks for, and then another concatenate, space, concatenate, watching. You are legends. There we go. Right, stop that and press play. Oh, we are having an issue again. Attempting to do something. What is it? I don't understand why that's going wrong now. Why is that going wrong? Stop. No script currently available. Number 5. This should be working. Why are you being a liar? It's lying to me, guys. This is being stupid. I love how the end video one doesn't work. Oh, hang on. That's why. We have actually not done anything for this. So we do not actually need to concatenise here at all. We just need to go like this. Thanks for watching. There we go, and then we stop that and press play. Yeah, there you go. So just make sure you put your things in the right area. And thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you again in the next episode in the scripting series, or if you are watching the WoW series, which will be coming today. Well, not today, but Wednesdays and Fridays every week. I'll see you again later. Goodbye.